You're watching the semi-retired farmer on YouTube. Transport videos that are really subpar. When it comes to quality, we never go far. We laugh at our haters, we laugh at ourselves. Many say a video smash.
G'day viewers, we have somewhat of a small treat for you today. We brave growing painter finally remember the good old days with a trip on one of the heritage W-type trams. Actually, it is quite far from the old days, with these beautiful things being heavily modernized and very few in number. But it's far better than what wiped them off the streets. Please make an effort to try to enjoy.
We have about 5 minutes lay up time here. I repeat, please.
When we get there.
The next stop is Flinders Street. Step off here for the 75 Trams. Step off here for the Treasury Gardens and the Heritage Fitzroy Gardens. There are 3 private walk-up Fitzroy Gardens every Saturday from 10 a.m. Stunning floral displays can be seen, and the gardens also contain a fairy tree sculpture depicting fairies and elves. Cook's Cottage, the reconstructed house of Captain James Cook's parents, is also located here. Start your exploration of the gardens from Fitzroy Gardens Visitor Centre, open 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Monday to Sunday. Melbourne's cosmopolitan Ridge Road, Richmond, renowned for its fashion, cafes and bars, is just a short distance from the next stop. Take a tram on route. Melbourne is gripped by its passion for sport all year round. Australian rules football, rugby, soccer, tennis, cricket, basketball and cycling are all on show at these world-class venues. Great sporting memories can be relived by taking a tour of the MCG, visiting the Sports Museum, 10 a.m. to find a range of fashion outlets, home renovator stores, pubs and cafes. From here you can also take in the Forum Theatre with its unique Romanesque style statues, gargoyles and a blue sky amphitheatre setting. The theatre opened in 1929 and it's renowned for hosting live music acts and concerts. The next stop is Flinders Street Station and Swanston Street. Step off here for Metropolitan trains and connect with Swanston Street and Kilda Road tram routes. And this stop is Federation Square, Melbourne's meeting place. With extraordinary architecture of diverse shapes and colours, Fed Square is an exciting cultural hub offering free public art, awards and multimedia. Galleries include the Ian Potter Centre, NGV Australia, NGV Studio and the Australian Centre for the Moving Image. Some of Melbourne's best design galleries are located here, as well as an array of cafes, restaurants and bars. Melbourne's South Bank Cultural Precinct is just a short walk over Prince's Bridge and across the Yarra River. The Victorian Arts Centre, State Theatre, Hamer Hall, the National Gallery of Victoria International are located here. To visit the Royal Botanic Gardens, Government House, the Shrine of Remembrance and St Kilda Beach, catch a tram for Oxford on the road.
Everybody in the tram and the aisles. It's fine.
Get them to sit down.
Hey, Jeffrey, Thank you.
Yeah. Excuse me.
你要去里面吗？你要去吗？
谁的衣服掉了？朱莉的衣服你也不拿着。
Christina, no? เฮ้ย เฮ้ย
Take the hobby too seriously, but apologize if that offends. We laugh at our haters, we laugh at ourselves. Yep, you're watching the semi-retired former. You're watching semi-retired former. You're watching semi-retired former on YouTube. Probably hated by 95% of the hobby's most demented haters. Export videos for all to enjoy around Australia and the Philippines. We don't take the hobby too seriously, but apologize if that offends. We laugh at our haters, we laugh at ourselves. Yep, you're watching the semi-retired former.
God, not another outro.
You're watching the semi-retired former on YouTube. Transport videos that are really subpar. When it comes to quality, we never go far. We laugh at our haters, we laugh at ourselves.